Mr. Mott, I am the head of, or the sponsor for the STEM team. We come out and we try and show kids a whole bunch of different STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, to where whenever they get older, they would want to go into our engineering program. This is one of our events that we're at right now. This is at the Bridge City Intermediate, where we have 6 different stations to show kids different areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We have stations where they're showing bubbles with surface tension and basically how surface tension can hold a lot more than what we think it can. We also have our station that's a little catapult, teaching about kinetic energy, potential energy, elastic energy. We have our hydraulics that my seniors, they actually built a hydraulic arm that clamps down and it actually can throw trash away.
We have made a kind of claw to represent this. So you see right here, I'm pulling, so it kind of, like a cardboard robot. I'm pulling here, so it creates pressure into this tube and it stays there. So if I push on this one, it raises it and it can stay here because of hydraulics, because of the pressure it's created by pulling the liquid.
Bridge City STEM team, best in class.